guys, I'm going to go ahead and start priming my face. To do that, I'm going to be taking the Milk I. So guys, for the second primer, I'm going to be taking this Matchbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. This one right here on my nose and T-zone, my forehead, and we are good. Makeup Revolution Matte Fix Spray. So guys, for foundation, I'm going to be taking the NARS Creamy Radiance Natural Radiance Long Wear Foundation. Apply a little bit of L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Foundation, matte coverage. So guys, to blend the foundation, I'm going to be taking the Silver Buffer brush. This one is 104. To be taking the Ray Technique sponge, but I mean SS. They need to go off your face. So highlights, I'm going to be taking the NARS Radiance Creamy Concealer in the shade Medium Dark, which is number 3. This concealer, which is All Nighter Concealer by Eyebrow, and this one is Dark Natural. Contour, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in the shade 470. Blend out my highlight. To do that, I'm going to be taking this Drugstore Beauty Blender. I'm going to use my contour brush, this one right here. In my contour, I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetic contour brush in number 3. So use my foundation brush to do extra dabbing all over my face so we don't have any demarcation lines going on. Okay, my face with the Airspun Mix Setting Powder. Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Miami. This Jet Stop brush to bronze my face basically.
Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous, I feel a little helpless, my whole world has shit.
Addition Passion Fruits, this one right here. I'm going to be taking this shade as my blush. This Silver, what is it called? Silver Looks Face Definer. This one right here. For my eyebrow, I'm going to be taking this Catrice 3D eyebrow pomade in the shade medium to dark. Okay, taking the darker shade, I'm going to outline my eyebrow, and later I'm going to fill in with the lighter shade. As you guys know, my concealer. And take my BH Cosmetic brush. Just going to blend out the excess concealer, the one we have on our brow bone. Today I'm going to be going with the concealer, the one I used to clean my brow bone, because I'm not going anywhere, so I don't want to waste my eyeshadow base. Okay, makeup. I was like obsessed with this look. All of a sudden I got irritated by it and I stopped it, and now I'm feeling the vibe again. It's coming back to sit, it's coming back on track. So yeah, if you want, you can go ahead and set it. I'm not going to set it at all. I'm just going to go straight ahead and dive into the eyeshadow palette, which matters. I'm going to go in with a very simple color today. I'm not going to go too crazy because we are going for a very neutral, at the same time look put together. Right here, peach and cream, just very tiny bit. I'm just going to basically dab that all over my eyelid. Okay, I'm taking this BEAUTYARTIST brush. It's called Fresh Poked. This shade right here, Fresh Poked. Like that on my crease, gently. And I'm blending it towards my inner corner area. We don't really have any guideline, okay? We're going to be just doing what we have to do. What we need to do to show up. Rip this one right here. To be taking this shade, the one I apply on my crease. I think I love it. I want to use it on over my eye, and it's called Just Rip. I love the color, guys. I love it. And the brush I'm using is from Just Top 234 Luxo Smoking Shader brush. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. I just know I want to do a very beautiful makeup look. And matte, because I want to go for matte look. Taking this shade called Peach Butter, my brow bone highlight. It's too light, but I'm going to blend it. No, I'm going to take peaches and cream. Okay, that one is so light, peaches and cream. Lash band, because I'm going to be using the elf liquid liner. I want that, you know, really defined, sharp cat eye today. Okay, my eye. Okay, just a little bit. We have nothing there still. We still show up that we have something there. You know what I mean? I'm going to go ahead and take the L'Oreal Mercier bronze powder in number 4. So guys, for mascara, I'm going to be taking the Catrice Lashes to Kill mascara. So guys, while my lashes is getting tacky, I'm going to go ahead and take the passion fruit from Catrice. I'm going to highlight, okay? A smaller brush to highlight. So I'm going to set my eyebrow with the Eyebrow brow gel. I'm going to line my lips with the brow pencil. I'll be taking the Beauty Glaze liquid lipstick. This one is Cocoa, one of my favorites when it comes to Beauty Glaze. Setting spray, okay? I've not used it before since I got it last year summer. When you shake it, it has a little silver ball inside. When you shake it, everything kind of dissolve, become bronze. And I'm going to spray it on my face, okay? Share the video.